struggling with slipping screws during furniture. Installs can't remove stubborn bolts in machinery. KEPAQI 20-volt brushless impact driver, 3-step torque makes screwing fast and precise. 1601-80230 Nm, progressive torque with 0230031003800 BPM. Impacts works like a smart tightener low. Gear 1800R min, tightens furniture. Screws square and firm high gear. 3300R min impact. Cracks rusty bolts in. Seconds no wrench, wrestling Hex Chuck. Design lock 6, 35mm. Bits securely changes. Bits with one click, zero slippage. Built-in LED. Illuminates cabinet, backs machine, undersides work in. Darkness no blind. Spots durable gearbox. Withstands daily. Impacts precision. Trigger controls, speed via pressure. Perfect for beginners. Forward reverse switch. Corrects mistakes. Instantly compact. Body reaches. Bookshelf gaps, machine corners, lightweight comfort during extended. Sessions 20 volts, batteries 1, 5R2, OR4, OR, last all day. One charge assembles, office furniture, cordless freedom. Anywhere, professionals and Deere's Conquer screws effortlessly boost. Efficiency today, grab your ultimate driving tool now.